In today's video, we are grinding and painting the floor that we saved from the original trailer. And we also will be taking the trailer to my dad's. We also made a trip to Niagara Falls and picked up a sliding glass door 6x6 for the new tiny house that we are building. We painted both sides of the floor.
What are they so happy for? Ooh. We made steak and bell pepper kibble for the fur babies.
For some reason, we lost the footage of our travels to my dad's house, but this is us leaving to drop off the trailer. So this is the glass sliding door that we went to Niagara Falls to pick up that we found on Kijiji. So we drove all the way to Niagara Falls for the fact that it is such a good deal and it was so cheap. And we also stopped by my dad's and saw the progress on the trailer, which I'll show you pictures later. The door wasn't too heavy, but it was awkward. The trailer wasn't quite the right size for us to be moving this door, and I was super scared to break it. So.
That's right there.
Okay, now we're going over to my dad's for an update there on what he did to the trailer. Looking at the trailer, so my dad's done a lot of work. So look, like he's added this piece here in the middle, and then he's added a whole bunch of these extra wings, and of course the 3 tires, extra wings, and a brand new bumper with holes cut in for the lights. After doing a significant amount of sanding, we sanded it all down everywhere. We started painting the frames, so everything was grinded down, and now my dad here is starting to do some painting. In order to sand and paint the trailer, we had to remove the wheels and any other extras. After leaving my dad's and we finished painting the trailer, we went back home, borrowed my dad's trailer again to take some scrap metal to the scrapyard. Here we are spending a lot of time cleaning all the extra goop off. However, unfortunately for us, it wasn't enough. You also have to remove the paint for it to be sold as raw aluminum. So we did get some money, but not as much as we were hoping. Some bees have decided to make a nest in our scrap metal. So Sean came up with this idea of attaching a rope and pulling the scrap metal out to prevent us from getting stung.
Watch the bees fly. Nah, I wouldn't stand there.
Please watch our next video as we continue towards building our tiny house.